Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean environment, install Python 3, 10 or newer and pip, then make a project folder. Create and activate a virtualenv so dependencies stay isolated. Once done, initialize Git and add a simple git ignore for venv and build artifacts. Next, write a requirements. txt with only the libraries you need. This makes installs reproducible. Make sure to run pip install r requirements txt and confirm imports in a quick REPL test before moving on. You build the app structure with clear modules, a lightweight entry point, config loader, service layer, and small utility modules. Use argparse or click to parse arguments so the UI is thin and testable. Separate i/o from business logic to allow easy unit testing. Implement core functions first, then write PyTest tests that exercise behavior and mock network or file system calls. Once tests pass locally, run linters and a formatter to ensure consistent style. This prevents bugs and eases code. You finalize by packaging and deploying. Add a pip reject, toml or setup. CFG, build a wheel and tag a git release. For deployment, containerize with a minimal Docker file or configure a CI pipeline to run tests and publish artifacts. Once deployed, monitor logs and add health checks so failures surface quickly. If something breaks, the first troubleshooting step is to recreate the virtualenv and run tests locally. Then check dependency versions and ensure tests are isolated from external state to pinpoint the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.